Hello everyone. In this video, I will be using English language so that everyone on the internet can understand without using any translator. I just want to show you my project guitar where I installed a set of ToneRider's Classic. So I looked everywhere on the internet to find the sound of a split coil for ToneRider Classics, and I didn't find one. Anyway, I am satisfied and very happy with the output, or with the sound it produced. So enough talking. Let's try. And here's the raw output of the guitar, and let's see. By the way, this is a split coil on tone knob. If I pull it, it will be a single coil. So if I press it down, it will be a humbucker. All right, rock and roll. All right, so let's start with the humbucker neck. Then split coil. Neck pickup, the screw part, the one closer to the neck. Then both pickups in humbucker. Then both pickups in split coil. Next, bridge pickup, humbucker. Split coil, bridge pickup, this part, the slug, split coil.